How to turn off low battery notification on any iPhone. Let's get started. First up, download this app Shortcuts. This is the default app in your device. You can get this app easily from the App Store. Launch it. Now at the bottom you're gonna find an option. Navigate to the option of automation. Click on new automation. Now here you're gonna find an option. Select the option battery level. Now here you're gonna find the slider. From here you can easily increase or decrease the battery level. Set the battery level for your low power mode. I'm gonna set it to 20%. Then check in for the option equals. Check in for the option run immediately. Click on next. Now click on new blank automation. Click on add action. In the search box type in low power mode. Now click on the option set low power mode. Click on done. Just like that you have created the shortcut. Once you have created the shortcut, now you won't get any notification when your phone is in the low power mode. This is how you can easily turn off low battery notification on any iPhone. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.